The holidays are busy, and sometimes, you just need desserts that are quick, festive, and guaranteed to impress. Today, we're exploring 10 easy Christmas desserts you can whip up in minutes. Each one simple, delicious, and perfect for holiday gatherings. Let's begin with a classic. Peppermint bark. Rich dark chocolate, creamy white chocolate, and the crunch of candy canes. Here's what you'll need. 8 ounces of dark chocolate, 8 ounces of white chocolate, and 1 cup of crushed candy canes. Optional additions include nuts or dried fruit. Melt the dark chocolate and white chocolate separately in 30-second intervals. Spread the dark chocolate onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, about 1/4 inch thick. Drizzle the white chocolate on top and swirl it for a marbled effect. Sprinkle your crushed candy canes evenly over the top. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Once it sets, break it into pieces and enjoy. Next, adorable mini gingerbread houses. These double as dessert and holiday decorations. Here's what you'll need. Pre-made gingerbread cookie pieces, royal icing, assorted candies, sprinkles, and a little shredded coconut for snow. Lay parchment paper on your workspace. Use the royal icing to glue the walls and roof together. Let them dry for 30 minutes. Then decorate with candies, sprinkles, and icing. Add shredded coconut for snowy rooftops. Display and enjoy. For something whimsical, try Christmas tree cupcakes. Perfect for parties and so simple to decorate. You'll need 12 cupcakes, 2 cups of green tinted buttercream, edible glitter, 1 cup of sprinkles, 12 chocolate cones or cookies, and a piping bag with a star tip. Bake your cupcakes and let them cool completely. Pipe the green buttercream upward in swirls to form the shape of a Christmas tree. Add edible glitter for sparkle. Decorate with sprinkles like ornaments. And top each one with a chocolate cone. These have become a holiday favorite. Hot chocolate bombs. Fun to make and magical to serve. You'll need 1½ cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, half a cup of hot cocoa mix, half a cup of mini marshmallows, optional toppings, and silicone sphere molds. Melt the chocolate chips and coat the inside of your silicone molds. Chill for 10 minutes. Fill half the chocolate shells with cocoa mix and marshmallows. Warm the edges of the empty shells and seal them together. Chill for 10 more minutes. Drop into hot milk, and watch the magic melt. Now for a beautiful layered dessert, a sugar cookie trifle. You'll need 1 package of sugar cookies, 2 cups of whipped cream, 2 cups of vanilla pudding, 1 cup of peppermint pieces or sprinkles, and optional chocolate shavings. Crumble the sugar cookies into pieces. Layer cookies, pudding, then whipped cream. Add sprinkles or peppermint. Repeat the layers all the way to the top. Chill for 2 hours before serving. These cranberry bliss bars bring sweet, tart, festive flavor in every bite. For the base, you'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of melted butter, half a cup of dried cranberries, and half a cup of white chocolate chips. Mix the oats, flour, sugar, and baking soda. Stir in the melted butter. Fold in the cranberries and white chocolate chips. Press into a greased 9x9 pan and bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees. For the frosting, you'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Beat the cream cheese and butter until smooth. Add powdered sugar and vanilla. Frost the cooled bars. Drizzle melted white chocolate on top. Add finely chopped cranberries, slice, and serve. If you need a last-minute gift or party snack, chocolate-dipped pretzels are perfect. You'll need 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of pretzel rods, and half a cup of sprinkles or crushed candy canes. Melt the chocolate chips. Dip each pretzel rod into the chocolate. Add sprinkles or crushed candy canes. Let them set on parchment paper. Package them for gifting or serve right away. Next, creamy, festive eggnog cheesecake bites. No baking, no hassle, just incredible holiday flavor. You'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of eggnog, 1 cup of whipped cream, mini graham cracker crusts, and a little nutmeg or cinnamon for garnish. Beat the cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Gently fold in the eggnog. Fold in the whipped cream. Spoon the mixture into mini crusts. Chill for at least 2 hours. Dust with nutmeg or cinnamon before serving. And finally, snowman marshmallow pops. Adorable, fun, and perfect for kids' parties or edible holiday favors. You'll need 3 large marshmallows per snowman, lollipop sticks or skewers, white chocolate or candy melts, mini chocolate chips for eyes and buttons, a small piece of orange candy for the nose, fruit leather or icing for the scarf, and optional sprinkles or edible glitter. Stack 3 marshmallows on a lollipop stick. Melt the white chocolate. Dip the bottom marshmallow to seal it onto parchment. Use melted chocolate to attach mini chocolate chips for eyes and buttons. Add a tiny orange candy for the nose. Wrap a strip of fruit leather, or icing, around the neck to form a scarf. Decorate with sprinkles or edible glitter. For party favors, package each snowman in a clear bag and tie with ribbon. And there you have it, 10 easy Christmas desserts anyone can make, even during the busiest holiday week. Simple, festive, and guaranteed to impress your guests. Be sure to check out this video for more.